It's day 73 for the war veterans who are on a protest at Jantar Mantar. 6 war veterans have been on indefinite fast. 2 of them have been hospitalized, but the deadlock continues. Sources are telling us that back channel talks are on at this point of time. Aditya is with us to give us more details. Now, Aditya, we do know there were hectic meetings yesterday between the top ministers of the cabinet to ensure that there is a solution which is brought forth. Do we see that one rank, one pension becoming a reality closer to the 50th anniversary of the 1965 war on August 28th?
Well, absolutely. There was speculation that perhaps on 28th of this month there might be an announcement on OROP, but there is no final confirmation coming in from the government at this point in time. The veterans are saying they'll continue their agitation. Of course, as we have been reporting here on Times Now, there has been relentless campaign and agitation by the veterans. They say the back channel dialogue have not been very, very successful. Of course, they say they've been positive, but there hasn't been any breakthrough. Just to give you a glimpse of what exactly is happening here at Jantar Mantar, if my video journalist Abhay Sharma can pan and show you, this is the exact location on ground zero, not very far from the Parliament of India, where this protest has been on for over 74 days here. You can actually see General Satbir Singh, Lieutenant General Satbir Singh, who has been leading the ex-servicemen movement here, in fact, leading the charge. He is addressing the protesters. Just to get a sense of what the veterans are actually saying, I'm being joined by Wing Commander Sopori here, Wing Commander Roman Sopori. If I can ask you, what's going in your mind at this moment? Are you very much hopeful? Because the Prime Minister promised yet again, he gave you an assurance from Red Fort, and there are back channel dialogues on by the official representatives of the ex-servicemen. Are you hopeful that perhaps by the end of this week there might be an implementation?
I am not hopeful at all, and all the 3 services are combined here together, and unless we get what we want, there is no dilution whatsoever. We've been struggling for the last so many years. And if India today is going to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Indo-Pak War, which put a lot of us into defense services, we are disappointed because this government came with a lot of promise. But today we are sorry to say we are totally frustrated and disappointed. I do not know what kind of government we are running today. They have to be very transparent and very clear what they want to do with the armed forces. If you don't want the armed forces, well, let it be. You can give the borders to the Delhi police or somebody else. We are here to serve the country. I would even suggest the Prime Minister should come out very clearly and talk to us, face and clear, not run behind the Finance Minister.
You're saying that the Prime Minister should come out and speak to you, but are you saying that the agitation will continue? There will be agitation?
Yes, absolutely. We are all soldiers, we are all united, and we are going to complete the mission before we abandon this mission.
बोला तो है वे हो जाएगा 28 तारीख को अनाउंस करेंगे, लेकिन अगर अनाउंस कर देता है तो ठीक है, अगर लाइट जितनी देर का हमें नहीं मिलता हम तक नहीं उठेंगे इधर से।
लेकिन आपको भी यहाँ पर लोग कह रहे हैं कि आपको हॉस्पिटल चले जाना चाहिए, आपकी तबीयत बिगड़ सकती है, तो इस पर आप थोड़ा विचार करेंगे?
हाँ, मैंने कल भी मेरे को बहुत धक्का किया ले जाने के लिए, लेकिन मैं नहीं गया। मैं बोलता मैं इधर ही मर मिटूंगा। मरण लंच का मतलब ये होता है जितनी देर को उसका आदेश है या उसका मकसद है पूरा नहीं हो जाता, उतनी देर का हम उठेंगे नहीं।
जो वेटरन सारे अभी पूरी दुनिया में, मतलब या पूरे इंडिया में आपको देख रहे हैं, उनको आप एक क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे? आप यहाँ पर पूरे 10 दिन से 11 दिन से टिके हुए हैं, एक आखिरी मैसेज उनको क्या देंगे?
हम तो यही बोलेंगे कि मतलब एकता रखो, एकता से ही फायदा है। अगर हमने एकता किया है इस तक हम पहुँच गए हैं, लेकिन बड़ी चीज एकता है। और जो हम ये पिछली साइड भी एक मंच लगा हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्या बोल रहे हैं आपको भी पता है, लेकिन जो हमारा ये मंच है उसी तक हम नहीं उठाएंगे, या उठेंगे जिंदगी आरोपी की लाइट हमको नहीं मिल जाती।